The Commission on Human Rights hopes to finish verification of martial law victims next year. Some 300 claims are being verified daily, as we hear from Ara Perez.
As of May 2015, 75,500 claims have been filed to the Human Rights Victims Claims Board for the alleged victims of human rights violations during the martial law. Commission on Human Rights Chair Chito Gascon said more than 300 claims are being verified daily, which are expected to be finished next year.
Pagkatapos ng isang taon ay magsisimula na magbayad mula sa tinatawag na pondong 10 billion pesos. Yung matatanggap ng mga tao ay depende sa bigat ng nadanas ng panahon ng batas militar. So kung may napatay o na-torture o na-rape, mas mataas ang tatanggapin kaysa sa mas konti o maliit ang nadama.
Aside from martial law victims, the agency is also dealing with daily cases of violations to human rights, which have usually become viral through CCTV cameras. The CHR maintains its close coordination with the police and the Department of Justice.
Ito ay ire-recommenda for prosecution. Wala pong kapangyarihan yung CHR mag-prosecute, pero tumutulong po ito sa Justice Department sa pinang-investigasyon ng human rights violations.
Meanwhile, Gascon has this to say to the country's future leaders.
Tayong mga mamayan ang siyang mangangalaga at magsisiguro na hindi dapat manumbalik ang martial law. Sino man ang malagay sa kapangyarihan ay meron po tayong mga batas, saligang batas na nangangalaga ng demokrasya at dapat ang taong bayan mismo natin magbigay buhay sa pagtanggol sa demokrasya, sino man ang manalo sa susunod na eleksyon.
For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.